Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. Please support the channel by clicking the subscribe button. You can leave your comment if you wish, and I hope you enjoy this video. Now this material that I'm using is called polywool. It is 60 inches long and about 19 3/4 wide. You can go around your neck 2 times, so that's how long it is. I think you have to buy about 1.5 yards of fabric if you want to make a scarf like this. So make sure the edges are straight. You can use those lines on the fabric to help you. Just cut on the lines. We want a neat finish. Now I'm measuring down 10 inches from the top, and I'm placing a mark at 10 inches. At that point I'm going to be placing the zipper. Now the zipper is a 7 inches length zipper. So I'm folding under 1/2 inch where I'm going to be placing the zipper, and I'm going to press there. This is the pocket. They're about 8 inches by 7.5 inches. Make sure the pocket is about 1/2 inch wider than the zip on both sides of the zip. Now notice the right side of the fabric is turned up. Now place the zipper on the fabric like so. So right at the edge there. So the right side of the pocket should be facing down or onto the fabric. This is how it should look. I'm just going to press the seam down to just make it flat. Now take up the side of the fabric, that's the end of the fabric, and bring it towards the edge. Line it up properly. Now notice now the wrong side is now facing up. Now take the other piece of the zip of the pocket, the right side facing down, place it on the other side of the zipper, matching it at the edge. So the zipper is now sandwiched between the fabric and the pocket piece. And just stitch across. After matching up the corners, you're going to now stitch half an inch allowance, stitch all the way down, then turn down on the pocket, then on the other side you stitch all the way down as well. Make sure you open the zipper when you're stitching. First, you want to push your hand through it to flip it over. So make sure the zipper is opened. Now make a mark on the opposite side of the seam. We'll use this mark later. Okay, when you're finished stitching now and marking, you're gonna now push your hand through like a tunnel. Push your hand through the tunnel, grab that piece. So pull it towards you, pull it straight out, then flatten it out. At this point, we're going to now match the seam to the marked part, or the seam to opposite sides, and then we're going to pin that. See the marked part, so we seam to the marked part, then we pin, then we stitch around it, 1/2 inch allowance. So pinning it this way, seam to opposite sides, will create a twist in the scarf. Okay, when you have done stitching around it now, you're going to just pull it through, then poke your hand through the pocket, through the zipper, and you're going to clip it over. Almost finished. So now this is the pocket. You're going to now close off that gap. There we are. It's finished. So the pocket can hold your phone when you're out and about. Pen, key. There you go. And this will feel so comfortable around your neck. It's very warm material, and you can make the scarf even using hand stitch. If you haven't got a sewing machine, you can just use your needle and thread. And this is it. This is the scarf. It is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget now to subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Bye bye.